Liberty University is proposing to build a state-of-the-art shooting range on its campus.
Yeah, the school says the facility would be the first of its kind on a college campus anywhere in the country. New tonight at 11, WSLS 10's Rob Manch spoke to the school and a Campbell County supervisor to learn more about the proposed range.
Liberty University already owns this wooded property here off of Camp Hideaway Road in Campbell County. Now they want to invest up to $3 million into it to build one of the nation's most state-of-the-art shooting facilities. Planning coordinator Brad Butler says it hasn't been hard to see. Shooting sports are popular at Liberty University.
We had a very successful gun safety program here.
Now the school wants to give those students and members of the community a facility to practice in. But not just any facility. The proposal is to spend up to $3 million to develop a 490-acre plot of land into a shooting range that can accommodate any type of Olympic shooting sport. But Butler says it wouldn't just be for students to use.
This is going to be more or less the law enforcement tactical area.
Police officers could do their training here. That's something that could be a selling point for Campbell County Supervisor Chair Eric Zare.
I know our sheriff's department really does need a facility. And this couldn't get more convenient if it worked out for that.
Zare will be meeting with Liberty on Thursday, but he says he still has questions.
I want to know such things as where will traffic be going? What will the noise level be at the nearest residence? And how safe will this be made?
As for noise, Butler says right now it's hard to tell.
Once we get the site fully developed and we're able to take readings, accurate readings, and not just guess at it, then we'll decide what measures need to take place, if any.
As for safety,
we've gone to great pains to place this in a location where we can use the natural terrain as enhanced backstops.
Ultimately, Butler says a facility like this could even act as a recruitment tool to help the university grow.
Our founder, Jerry Falwell Sr., always said if it's Christian, it should be better. And God has blessed us with the resources where we're actually putting that into action right now.
Supervisors will be making a decision on the proposal at their next meeting on January 3rd, and if approved, Liberty hopes to have the whole facility constructed by the beginning of the fall semester in 2017. In Campbell County, Rob Manch, WSLS 10.